I would like to share with you a burden, a vision, and an opportunity in Prince Albert, Saskatchewan. I have seen the devastation in our population in Saskatchewan that addictions causes. 80% of people in our prisons would not be there if it were not for addictions. And I know that what is in Prince Albert is indicative of all across Canada. It's not just Prince Albert, Saskatchewan. We have then, out of our prison ministry, started our weekly addiction program every Friday night and follow up through the week. And we've seen amazing things from it. But I am very aware, after these many years of working with addicted people, that what we really need, we need another step to this. We need a place in Canada where men and women eventually can go and have a residential haven to recover. We've had a farm now for 6 or 7 years, an 80-acre farm that's 25 minutes from Prince Albert on gravel road, but we were turned down when we applied to the RM for using it as an addiction residential farm. We've learned from that.
Okay, this is the men's home, a duplex that we've recently purchased and that we are renovating, and it was burnt out, and so we feel like God has led us to this as our first building that we can actually use for a residential home to get us started. This duplex is upstairs, downstairs. It has 3 bedrooms on the upstairs, 3 on the downstairs, which will give us 6 beds. And so it's under construction. Come on in, we'll take a look. So here we are. This is going to be the kitchen and dining room here, and the guys have just finished laying the floor, doing the drywall, and so this is where the upstairs, the A apartment. We go into the living room here. This is the living room under construction. This is trim on the floor, and the flooring has been completed. Walls have been drywalled and painted. And then as we go down here, we see there's bedroom 1, bathroom, bedroom number 2, and bedroom number 3. We have a need, of course, of laborers. Buildings are part of it, but there's a need for laborers. We need somebody to look after this building, to be a supervisor, somebody that can help in that way. And if you could pray with us about God raising up and sending the people that we need to make this vision a reality.